Hi, I'm Cheryl Eisen from Interior Marketing Group. Welcome to 56 Crosby, where SoHo glamour meets Hollywood allure. Featured in the film The Devil Wears Prada, this is a cinematic dream of a downtown loft building. Who knows, you might just hear Miranda Priestly's voice echo through these chic halls. With over 4,400 square feet, this loft was beautifully renovated by architect-designer David Howell. So we wanted to elevate and accentuate the interiors with curated modern art and furniture. Trust me, this is one of my favorite projects, and I can't wait to show you around. Walking through this grand entry gallery, you can't help but be enticed for what's to come. The exposed brick and dramatic archways set the scene for a truly show-stopping experience. This entry hallway makes a real statement. It also happens to be the perfect runway. Welcome to the Great Room, where only the most fabulous and fashionable will get an invite. Featuring an oversized gas fireplace, surrounded by custom cherrywood cabinets, and a sophisticated open kitchen perfect for serving cosmos and canapes. Every piece in here has curves, from the sofa, to the coffee tables, to the love seat, to the lounge chair. This plays beautifully with the more angular nature of the space. To balance the rich wood elements, we layered light tonal whites and creams in soft tactile fabrics to brighten the space while highlighting the soaring ceilings. We also added this Noguchi-inspired statement chandelier, which adds the perfect romantic glow. Overall, I wanted the vibe in here to encourage devilish chats and flirtatious glances. This elevated glass enclosure is like a solarium. It's absolutely drenched in natural light, with views of Broadway below. It's perfect for people watching. We've paired custom upholstered shearling chairs with a distinctive sculptural table and vibrant neon art to create a space that's modern and inviting. Now, let's head upstairs. This mezzanine is an unforgettable architectural feature. It feels like your own personal VIP section. And from this vantage point, you can see the entire party below. We've chosen cool modern art and chic lounge seating for an exclusive moment above the fray. This whole mezzanine level is filled with surprises, including a game area, a gym, and even a wine cellar suspended above the kitchen. Much like the entry hall, this is a great place to strut your stuff. Catwalk, anyone? Care to join me in the bedroom? This primary bedroom suite is a true sanctuary. It features this gas fireplace, setting the tone for an intimate night in. Sumptuous bedding in neutral tones and cream-colored accessories brighten up what would have otherwise been a moody room. The closet would impress even Miranda Priestly. And speaking of impressive, take a look at this bathroom. It's got a deep waterfall-edge soaking tub, steam shower, and even a sauna. How's that for decadent luxury and style? Thank you for joining me at 56 Crosby Street, a project that combines so much style and glamour that even Miranda Priestly would approve.
Before you go, let us know if you enjoyed this video. Drop us a like and subscribe.